Joining us now, I've got Ann Price with the Raptor Education Foundation. And it's good to see you, dear. Thanks for being here and look at this beautiful specimen. We're going to talk about you in just a minute. Let's talk a little bit now about Blondie and her famed past and the fact that she passed away in April. She was a big part of your life and the birds of prey up here in Beaver Creek.
Oh, she absolutely was. She was here December 5th, 1997 when we inaugurated, of course, her first podium was with Herman Meyer. And we just, so much of the wonderful history and appearances and relationship with Beaver Creek and Vail Valley Foundation were built upon the birds of prey and what she could do to showcase Colorado to the world.
And how old was she when she passed away?
She was 40 years old. She sustained a stroke at the end of March, and we worked with her and nursed her and did everything we could, and she had a second one. We knew it was time. 40 years is a good long life for an eagle living with people.
And she did a lot for this wonderful event here in Beaver Creek over the years, and moving along to her next in line, I guess, right? We don't have a name for this beautiful lady yet, but tell us about this bald eagle.
All right, this is our new female bald eagle here. She is 6 years old. She came from the Rawlins, Wyoming area. We've had her for 5 years. She was actually stolen illegally from a nest and kind of made into a pet sort of for 3 months, released and couldn't make it on her own. So now she's grown up with us.
She doesn't have a name yet, does she?
Yeah, you know, we only share the names of our birds once they have passed on, especially if they had huge public significance. Educational organization, we want kids to know Blondie, golden eagle, peregrine falcon, screech-owl, all the great names of birds of prey, not pet names, so to speak.
She's a specimen and a half. I mean, she doesn't take the place of Blondie. She's her own raptor, but wow, look at the size of the claws. You never see them this close. This is amazing.
Well, and the thing is interesting is actually, so she's a sea eagle, so our friends in Austria and Norway, close cousin is the white-tailed sea eagle over there, same family, and bald eagles actually have smaller feet than golden eagles. Her feet are smaller than Blondie's were. However, she's bigger in weight, she's 13 pounds, and she's got a 7-foot wingspan. Check it out.
She's going to show us the wingspan. Check it out. Stand back, everybody. We don't know. Oh, look at you. Wow, look at you. Wow.
So, I mean, we're like Secret Service for the bird today. How much does she weigh?
No, the name.
So, people have been calling her the bald beauty. You know, we normally don't share the name of the bird because of all the children. Especially since she is America's national symbol, we call her the bald eagle. In many countries call it the white teddy bear.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you, Ann. No name. No, it's a policy, yeah. You see so many kids? Let's take it from that. Thank you. Congratulations. The bird of prey eagle is red, of course, and of course we
with white heads and tails, true or false?
No, they're not, but they even us, they have dark eyes and brown heads and dark tails. They look like golden eagles.
Right now, I'm trying to get things going around the course here. Thank you for your time.
Oh, absolutely. Everybody let's cheer for you.
On course, go, Peter, back to you.
All right, thank you, and we join Adrian Simpson.